Okay, so here are the notes for these different types of sequences. An arithmetic sequence, and by the way, I know you might think I'm mispronouncing that word because this is arithmetic, correct? Arithmetic is the noun, like the type of computation. But arithmetic is an adjective. When it's describing the sequence, you say arithmetic, not arithmetic. So an arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which the difference, fill these in, the difference between any two consecutive terms, called the common difference, is the same. And that's what common means, shared, right? So they have the same difference. In other words, if you look at this sequence 2, 9, 16, 23, 30, we see that it's plus 7 each time. Plus 7, plus 7, plus 7. So if you took a term and subtracted the previous term, you would get 7. That's what they mean by taking the difference. So in the sequence 2, 9, 16, 23, 30, the common difference is 7. A geometric sequence is a sequence in which the ratio of any two consecutive terms is the same. This, oh no. Let's do this a little. We could write ratio, but let's change this to quotient. My bad, sorry. In which the quotient of any two consecutive terms is the same. This quotient is called the common ratio. So in this sequence 1, 6, 36, 216, this is times 6, times 6, times 6. But if I took any term, like if I took the 36 and divided it by the preceding term, the 6, that quotient would be 6. And that will always be true. 6 divided by 1 is 6, 216 divided by 36 is 6. So in this sequence, the common ratio is 6. Now, before we go off of this slide, let me try to throw you a curveball and see if you can pick up on something here. Just go by 4. This is an arithmetic sequence but this time it's decreasing by the same amount. So what would the common difference be here? If you took a term and subtracted the previous term, like 10 minus 14, in a decreasing sequence, your common difference is negative. So the common difference would be negative 4 here. If it's minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, that's the same as plus negative 4. Because remember, subtracting is the same as adding the opposite. If I had if I just reversed this one, if I had like 216, I'm probably not giving myself enough room. Hold on. If I started this one this way, now I'm dividing by 6, not multiplying by 6. But we know dividing is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So this is times 1/6. This is multiplied by a 1/6. So in a situation like this, the common ratio would be the reciprocal of 6, or 1/6. In fact, wouldn't the next term in the sequence be 1/6? Because 1 divided by 6, or 1 multiplied by 1/6, is just 1/6.